Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make a potato and chickpea curry. Indian, vegan, vegetarian, spicy, delicious and very easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is 3 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato if you can. And I've cut that quite small. And again here, potatoes, 3 cups again. Now cut them into that size. You can cut it smaller or larger if you want. Now what I've done with these is I've just brought them to the boil for like 2 minutes just to give them a head start. So if you wanted, you could do it with raw potato, but this just kind of makes it a little bit quicker. 2 cups of chickpeas. My chickpeas are from a can. If you're going to use them from a can, rinse them out in some nice cold water, just give them a nice little rinse through. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some fresh chili on the end. The amount's entirely up to you. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Now the chili powder I'm using, I'm getting a lot of questions about this at the moment, is a Kashmiri chili powder. And then 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander and cumin powder. Some whole spices for you today. What we're going to be using is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a couple of dried red chilies and 4 green cardamoms. Let's get moving. So I'm using coconut oil today, but you could use a different oil if you want. I've got like 3 or 4 tablespoons in there. You can choose the oil you fancy. We're going to start off by dropping in there the cumin seeds, the cardamom pods and the chili. Now I've just put the heat on. We're on an above medium heat. And I'm just going to let them do their thing for a few seconds in that oil. And then we're going to be adding the 1 cup of onion. While I'm here, let's get some salt in the mix. And we're going to go for 3 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add the potatoes in. And like I said a moment ago, just slightly parboiled these. I mean, they're still hard. I can't squeeze that. And again, 3 to 4 minutes on this, lively heat. We're well on our way. Get back in there. Fabulous. Ginger garlic paste. And for you that don't know, ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. We use it all the time. You can buy it in stores, depends on where you live, or you can make it like we do. 2 cups of chickpeas. Again, from a can, and like I said, give them a nice rinse through in some cold water. Any beans or anything you use from a can, do that. That water they come in is not the greatest, is it? Our fresh chili. The amount is up to you. Spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander and 2 of our chili powder. In that goes. Just give that a little mix in. And then we're going to be adding our tomatoes. This is really easy and delicious, this one. Three cups of fresh tomatoes, cut nice and small. Stay on this vigorous heat. I'm going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes now. The tomatoes will cook down and they might, depending on how juicy they are, give off some moisture. We'll take a look then, give it a stir every now and then. And as you can see, I have got loads of moisture from my tomatoes. If you didn't, you could add just a little bit of water or have it a bit drier. That's up to you. Get it to the consistency that you want. Off goes the heat. I'm going to add now just a little pinch of garam masala powder. Now garam masala powder, you can see it right there. This is a blend, nice kind of finishing spice, really beautiful stuff. Buy it in stores like I have here or make it yourself. If you want some fresh cilantro or coriander in the mix, today I'm not doing that. Just check that for salt. Job done. It's a beauty. And there you go, nice simple potato chickpea curry. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.